might think Apple TV is just another slick streaming box to binge Netflix and chill, but tech insiders are shouting that its most interesting perk isn't about streaming at all. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for all the tech news. Apple TV has beautiful screensavers that turn your dark, blank screen into artwork that belongs in an art gallery, not your living room. While many of us are busy searching for the latest shows, the Apple TV actually hides one of its coolest tricks in plain sight. Instead of that boring black void when at rest, your TV can transform into dazzling landscapes, city skylines, and even classic Snoopy animations. The best part? It's super customizable. Choose from 4 types of screensavers, from globe-trotting aerial shots to personal photo slideshows pulled from your iCloud. Want portraits with digital clocks? You got it. Prefer a Snoopy and Woodstock vibe? Apple TV's got that too. And if you're wondering how to make this magic happen, it's as easy as diving into settings, then screensaver, and picking your vibe. You can even control how long your TV waits before showing the visuals and change themes to match your style. So next time you set up your Apple TV 4K, don't skip past the screensaver settings. They're basically digital interior decor. It's the little feature that's so good, you'll forget you ever thought streaming was the main thing. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider. Like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. You're an Apple TV fan with Android phone? Good news! The streaming giant is bringing Google Cast support to its native Android app, making it easier than ever to binge your favorite shows straight from your smartphone to your TV. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Just months after Apple launched the dedicated Android app in February 2025, this update dropped, signaling that the company is serious about wooing viewers outside its own ecosystem. Now with Google's integration, switching screens is smoother, even mid-episode. No more awkward pauses, fiddling with settings, or trying to find workarounds. Android users can now enjoy Apple originals and blockbuster hits on the big screen with the tap of a finger. Apple's going for a different strategy compared to streaming rival Netflix, which recently ended Google Cast support for most of its platform, while Netflix is retreating from cross-device convenience. Apple is doubling down, making the experience as frictionless as possible for Android users. Industry experts say this update could give Apple TV a serious edge in attracting Android subscribers who previously hesitated to join the platform. For Apple, every new feature brings its service to other ecosystems, which means more eyes on its content and more reason for users to stay loyal. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or just dipping a toe into Apple TV on Android, the addition of Google Cast is a game changer. It's going to transform how viewers watch, binge, and share their favorite shows. Are you already using Apple TV? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Apple has officially unleashed tvOS 26, a game-changing update that transforms your Apple TV into a visual and entertainment powerhouse. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Of course, we'll start with Liquid Glass, a stunning new design language that breathes life into the interface with floating 3D menus, translucent panels, and soft, rounded edges. It's sleek, it's cinematic, and it's unlike anything we've seen on Apple TV before. Navigating your favorite shows now feels like browsing a living movie poster gallery as bold artwork takes center stage, making exploration so irresistibly beautiful. Switching profiles and logging into apps has also been streamlined, so you can dive into your personalized content with ease. But that's just beginning. The star of the show is Apple Music Sing, which turns your living room into a full-on karaoke party. Grab your iPhone, cue your favorite tracks, and compete with friends. And it also has emoji reactions flying across the screen in real time. If we talk about accessibility, Live Captions now supports real-time translation in Spanish, French, and German, so international content is in too. FaceTime also gets a glow up, featuring contact posters for a more personal touch. And when you're not watching anything, it'll show you new customizable screensavers. With all these new features, tvOS 26 isn't just an update, it's a sneak peek of what the future of television will look like. Did you like this new update? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Apple is rumored to be preparing a new version of its Apple TV 4K, expected to launch later this year. The current Apple TV, introduced in October 2022, features an A15 chip, USB-C on the Siri remote, and a compact design. However, with over 2 years since its release, speculation is building about significant upgrades for the next model. Reports suggest the updated Apple TV will include Apple's in-house networking chip, moving away from Broadcom. This chip will likely support Wi-Fi 6E, marking a first for Apple TV and enabling faster connectivity. Additionally, it may feature a faster processor, potentially the A18 chip, to enhance overall performance. Moreover, the updated model is also expected to focus on affordability. Apple lowered the price of the 2022 Apple TV to $129, and analysts, including Ming-Chi Kuo, believe the next model could go below $100. Notably, a lower price point would make the Apple TV more accessible to a broader audience. Apple's working to expand gaming on its devices. The new Apple TV could play a role in the strategy. With a powerful processor, the device may support high-end games, including those with advanced features like ray tracing. Furthermore, the inclusion of Apple Intelligence could enable the latest Siri and other smart home functionalities, potentially enhancing the experience when paired with HomePods. Apple expected to enter smart TV market with Smart Home Hub. Apple is re-exploring the similar concept it was considering between 2009 and 2011 as it's gearing up to launch its Apple-branded Smart TV. Mark Gurman declared this possibility in his Power On newsletter. This project was laid aside by Apple due to the lack of differentiating features at that time. However, now the tech giant wants to enhance the interconnected nature of its devices and can offer the potential for more innovations. Apple's HomeKit system would combine with the Smart TV, unlocking tons of controlling capabilities for smart home devices, but it wouldn't serve as the primary hub yet. The iPhone maker is developing another 6-inch square display device that would serve as Apple's smart home devices hub. The launch of Smart TV would highly depend on the success of this hub device. The Smart TV's release highly depends on the consumer's response to Apple's wall-mounted Smart Home Hub. Apple's TV specifications and designs are not officially disclosed, so the fate of Smart TV is hinging on the success of its smart home initiatives. Apple TV Plus now available on Prime Video, new streaming partnership. Apple has partnered with Amazon to make Apple TV Plus available on Prime Video. Starting later this month, Prime Video subscribers would be able to enroll for Apple TV Plus from within the Amazon ecosystem. Under the new terms of the agreement, Apple would reach out to a broader audience to access award-winning content. According to Apple's SVP of Services, Eddie Q, "We want to make Apple TV Plus available to as many viewers as possible. This collaboration would give Prime members access to watch Apple TV Plus in addition to their existing Prime Video, all under one app. Apple TV Plus would be a paid add-on for Prime Video at $9.99 per month, just like the standalone Apple TV Plus subscription. Prime Video memberships range from $8.99 per month to $17.98 per month. The ad doesn't include distribution for Apple TV Plus, since the service is already available on most platforms that support Prime Video. The truth is that Apple TV Plus is available in the Apple TV app on smart TVs, set-top boxes, gaming consoles, and web platforms. Signing up for Apple TV Plus through Prime Video is seamless, especially for Android users. This spares the user from needing to switch between services, a dedicated app experience. The exclusive program runs the gamut on Apple TV Plus, including internationally acclaimed series and films. By partnering with Amazon, Apple could tap into Prime Video's vast subscriber base, which could potentially increase Apple TV Plus adoption.